What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Full Throttle Auto. Today is a fun day. Today we got two things going on. First thing we got, I'm here in Illinois, so we have a Wheaton car cruise. They call it a car cruise, but I don't think anybody really goes for a cruise. Really what it is a street in Wheaton, Illinois gets taken up with a bunch of cars, usually classic cars or older American muscle. Sometimes you'll see, I did already once a video on this. You'll see a bunch of older cars from like the 60s and 70s. Sometimes you'll see some newer stuff. But basically it's just a small show that the town holds every Friday if it's a good night or a good day. So we're going to check that out. And then we got JDM Chicago Mini Meet, which starts around 7:30. Right now it's about 7, so I am going to be a little bit late on that. But the Wheaton show should be pretty quick, and then I'll head out to that. So let's go ahead and get that done.
Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire. Bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire.
Alright, everybody. Just got done with that show. Hope you guys enjoyed that footage. I didn't get a lot of footage. They wouldn't let me use the drone. You know, I asked. I was nice enough to ask before I did it. They told me, I actually asked one of the officers that was there helping out, and he said they most likely won't let you do it. So I just didn't do it at all. So I didn't use the drone there, and I understand. It's unfortunate because it would have been some great shots. But it is what it is. So now we're going to the JDM Chicago Mini Meet. We're heading out right now, and we're going to see how that goes. I might be able to use the drone there. We'll see. It is at a public place, obviously. I don't know. We'll see how it works out. Hopefully it doesn't get too dark. You're not supposed to use it in the dark, especially in a public place. We'll see what happens. But yeah, so let's see how that comes out. Alright guys, so that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed both shows. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hit the like button if you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.